Alright guys, I'm back with some more VillageCraft. We're in the middle of nowhere. I don't know which way we came from. We're enchanted, but we're not looking that great, guys. We're not looking so hot. Our last couple villages have been nothing but disasters. And we're gonna kind of just... Our iron sword is gonna break in a second. Is that a village? It is a village. We got another one. That's the motivation I needed. That is what I need to see. Let's see if they have iron. We definitely don't need food. We are good on food. I don't know why I'm doing that. I need to grab this actually. Alright, we're good. We got a village. Is there a blacksmith though? Does not look like it. There's not a blacksmith. Looks like we're gonna be here for the night, boys. This is gonna be a long night. There's some more books. We'll grab those. We'll grab the crafting table also. More crafting tables, the better. Let's pick up all these books. We are not looking that great though, just because we don't have the strongest gear. What if we could... Oh, too late now. Wait, there's a sheep over there. We need to get to that sheep. We need to get to the sheep. Alright, we need to get to the sheep. We need to kill this sheep right now. Grab the wool and go. Or get shot. Okay. Alright, let's go. We need to find our sheep. Sheep. We need to find our sheep. There's one. I think it can only be what. Oh, you better get back here. There's no one. Sucker. Wait inside. Bed. We're crafting a bed, guys. We are crafting a bed. Alright, let's sleep through the night. This is what I needed. Holy, almost good. Here, what we can do is we can collect burning mobs. Oh, loot! That one's in the fire. We need to bait him out. But how? Oh, God! No, I got stuck in the villager. We have to go around to get that skeleton. Oh, crap. Get out of the way. There it is. Give me those arrows. We have enough for a bow. Let's make a... Oh, we need sticks. We have enough... We can make a bow. And let's make a fishing rod. A rod will keep the bow out. Does the rod take durability when you... This will be good for like zombies and that. It's not using any durability. That's good. That's very good. Alright. So we need a map out though. We definitely need our map. We can just the axe. I was kind of liking the axe, but whatever. Or off the map. There's no point in using the map anymore. Wait, it is taking durability. Alright, well we can't just use our rod anytime then. We'll save it for moments of need. Pick up the string. And let's go. Let's get moving, guys. We have to get going. It would be nice if we could just get some blocks, actually, though, to move a little bit faster, but no time now. Let's actually kill chickens for the feathers. Oh, I didn't even drop a feather. We'll kill chickens. Alright, can't use the rod. I'm just going to put the rod away because I'm going to use it. We have 6 obby. 41. Oh. Oh no. Let's get this water. There's our village. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, there's our village. Have we been here? Yep. Alright, let's turn around. That's the village we were at in the last step. So let's keep moving. We're gonna have to get off the map eventually. I guess we'll just head down. We'll head down because we haven't been that way yet. We'll head back past the village. Let's actually get our fishing rod out just in case. I didn't put something here, but not the rod. Let's put the axe here. Let's put the axe there. We have a spare iron helmet, actually. So if the helmet breaks, we'll be fine. Okay. Yeah, we need to. If we're gonna get off the map, now's a better time than any. I think I'm gonna chuck the map actually. I'm pretty sure, like almost positive we've cleared the entire village. Oh, I almost just, till I pass by this chicken. I don't want a chicken, I want feathers. Alright. 2 feathers, that's not bad. I won't be able to get flint unless I take it from the gravel roads in the villages, but whatever, I can get that later. I swear I see something. Try like, I guess not. I'm just seeing things. I don't know why I made the iron sword, to be honest. I probably could have saved it. Ooh, that's a village, alright. That's a blacksmith, too. Right, or the crosshairs. That's a blacksmith. Alright. Let's see it. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. We have a bed now, so we can just avoid night if we really need to. We have 12 arrows. Oh, we just froze there for a sec. Alright, let's see what we got. There's some books, actually. I'm gonna grab more books. We're lagging. We're lagging. We can get like stuck in the block. We have almost a stack of books. Alright. That is pretty awesome. That is what you like to see. Get here. 3 diamonds and a chest plate. And apples. There's not much that can beat that chest, guys. There is not much. So let's save our diamonds for a diamond piece, actually. And then we can enchant that. Oh, no iron, but a chest plate all the same. That is pretty dang awesome. Let's throw our eggs. Actually, eggs are more useful in rotten flesh, and I kind of want to keep the eggs. Just in case we have to, like, use them a defector rod. We have 58 dirt. Let's get that as our blocks. We want that wood, though. We want that wood. We'll take the bones just because. Why not? But let's enchant. Let's enchant, guys. Let's actually chuck out this stuff we don't need. I found some stuff. We'll keep the saplings because we can grow trees with that. 1 gold nugget is nothing. We don't need 1 potato. 2 bread we'll keep. Rod, obby, just in case we want another. I don't know if we will, though. But that's awesome. 3 more diamonds. That's 1 more diamond off a lower tier piece. But let's enchant that chest plate right away. Let's see if we can get some prot. Prot. Alright, guys, we're 3/4 iron. That is as good a blacksmith as you could ever hope for. What happened here? I want to know what happened here. It's in our library. You know what? I will grab 2 more books just to finish that stack. But I don't need the 1 book. I don't need any more than a stack of books for sure. So this was an amazing village. Let's actually grab some flint while we're here. Flint on the first gravel. Dang. What we could do, guys, is we could totally just, like, save to level 30. We get to Nether, start mining quartz, save to level 30. And then we can enchant a bow level 30 and see what we get. Because I've got some pretty good bows. I've got some pretty bad bows, on the other hand. But I've also got some pretty good bows. That says something. Like, I've pulled a power 4, punch 1, flame 1 as a out of level 30. But I've also pulled a punch 2. Which again, I suppose that won't be that bad. I pulled a flame 1, though. That was bad. A punch 2 would be good for bow boost. But we don't have an anvil. Oh no, we wouldn't need an anvil. I'd just be enchanting a bow. We're not going to get an anvil, though. I think that's guaranteed. Do they have more than a stack of gravel? Yep. We'll be happy with a stack of gravel. Let's kill some cows, actually, just for their food. Just because I don't want to just be eating carrots. No, get back here. We're going to have to... We'll keep the stack of leather. We can throw out the leather. We don't need leather. We definitely don't need leather. But I just would prefer to have more food other than carrots. I don't really like to have only one kind of food. It's just a picky thing. I don't know. It's probably just gonna weaken us in the end, but I don't really care. I like eating steak also. It's more like healing than carrots. It's more reliable. Okay? A very good app, though. A very, very good app. We have 25 raw beef. So let's actually use these furnaces. Do we have anything to smell with? No, we don't. Typical. We have wood. If I could have a lava bucket, that'd be nice, but no can do. No can do. We can actually smelt a little bit of it with this wooden pick. But whatever. Let's pull the bed out. We don't need both of these swords, so I'm gonna keep the iron sword. We're 3/4 iron, guys. We are 3/4 iron. I am very much happy with that. That gave us 1 steak, guys. Yes. We have succeeded at life. Alright, let's pick up the bed and then end off the ep, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Wait. This one might be a little longer. I'm going to get all these mob drops. Or the XP at least. They didn't drop the XP. Spider, it's all your fault. Oh. Thumbnail. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Well, I'm going to end the episode only when the spider begins attacking me again. This is going to be entertaining, guys. Alright. Oh, there it is. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.